Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 760 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony Smart TV via Bluetooth. This Sony TV is the one that has Google TV. So first thing is, let's go to the settings on your Sony TV. You can navigate to the home screen and go to the gear icon, or go to the gear icon up there, or if you have a remote like this, you have a settings button, the gear icon, you can just tap on that. So let me just click on there. And then from here, I'm just going to move over to settings, okay on the remote. From here, I'm going to scroll down all the way down to remotes and accessories right there. Click on okay on the remote. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And then we're going to go down on the pair accessory, and then we're going to okay that on the remote. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So let's hurry up and put these into pairing mode before the searching stops here. Okay, let me go ahead and turn these off first. They're currently on. Let me turn them off. We got to put this into pairing mode, okay? So they're currently off. Let me turn these on. There's only one, the power button's right here, okay? Let me press and hold for a few seconds. Now I'm going to let go. Now I'll know it's in pairing mode if it's blinking blue here. It's not blinking blue. I get a solid blue light now, and the reason is because I'm connected to my iPhone right now. So for myself, let me turn these off first. Let me press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Now it's off. Now for me to put this in pairing mode, I have to press and hold that power button and keep holding until I get a blue blinking light here. Okay, so power button here, ready, go. Press and hold. Keep holding, just wait. Okay, now I'm waiting for a blue light. Blue, blue, blue blinking. There it is. It's in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and jump back over here. It's still searching. And we're in pairing mode here. Now, I might have took too long, okay? So let me, okay, it just popped up. I was going to go back and then do the search again, but it did find it. JBL Tune 760 NC right there. I'll click on OK. It says pairing. I should get a pairing request here. Pairing request. Make sure it's pair is highlighted. OK on the remote. And now you can see switch audio to the JBLs. And there we go. We're now connected. Okay, you can see the JBL Tune 760 down there. So if I go down there, it's connected because I can only disconnect there. If I go down to my other headphones that I previously had paired, it would say connect, okay, because they're not currently connected. So the JBL Tune 760, it is connected. Now, the thing is, if you have kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.